Hello, my name is Mohammed Nadir. Today I will present my answer for question number 2. This is the question that I got, and this is the data that has been collected by the students. First of all, the research question is said to be, is there any relationship between BMI and body height? Which I think is very incorrect. So I came up with a new research question, which is there any relationship between BMI and body weight of UMS female student? The experimental design is by taking the weight and BMI of 10 UMS female students, and both the data type taken, which is the weight and BMI, is our scale data. So the hypothesis is there is no for null hypothesis. It is there is no relationship between BMI and body weight of UMS female students, and for alternative hypothesis, there is relationship between BMI and body weight of UMS female students. So first of all, I summarize the data into a table like this, and then I put the data on a scattered plot graph to see the relationship. And for the assumption, the data is normally distributed. This is obtained by using the RStudio. Because the data is normally distributed, so we use Pearson correlation test instead of Pearson's correlation test, which we use alpha 0.05 and the critical value, which is V equals n minus 2. And as we can obtain from the T table, the critical value is 2.306. So in the RStudio, first of all, we need to set a working directory from the folder, and then we read the files of the data, and I use this script to plot the data in a scattered plot graph. And then we use Shapiro test to test the normality of the data, which the result came out as both BMI and body weight are normally distributed. Therefore, we use Pearson correlation test. As we can see the result, the p-value is 0.00025152, which is so small that indicates there is a strong relationship between BMI and body weight. The correlation coefficient obtained is 0.914 with with degree of freedom of 8. To further prove this, we also conduct the manual calculation, which we use the correlation coefficient obtained from RStudio to calculate the t-score, which is the t-score is 6.39. To compare, the calculated t-score is way higher than the statistical t-score. Therefore, we reject the null hypothesis. And this proves that there is a strong relationship between BMI and body weight of UMS female student, which the relationship is strong positive relationship with correlation coefficient of 0.914. That's all from me. Thank you.